Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have an Easter basket Dollar Tree DIY for an adult or a teenager. I grabbed one of these storage baskets from the Dollar Tree. That's going to be my basket. It'll be reusable in the end. I do want to make a temporary handle, and I do that with a wire wreath form from the Dollar Tree. This is one of the ones that comes in a 3-pack. I just cut it down, so I only have part of the wreath missing, so I'll be able to make a handle. For the handle, I'm going to make it out of Dollar Tree towels. These are the kitchen towels. The color is really similar to the basket that I chose from the Dollar Tree, so I think this will work. I just cut the dish towel in half so that I would have enough to go all the way around. And I'm going to simply roll the towel around. I start with my raw end here and hot glue this on to that arch of the wreath until I get about halfway up. And then I'm just going to trim off the excess material I have there. Then I just start wrapping the towel around. I have the finished edge on the outside, so that will be easy to glue down. And the towel theme goes with the theme of this basket. I wanted to do a beach theme basket for an adult, and I found lots of things from the Dollar Tree that will work well in here. So I do the same thing here on the other side, just using the raw edge, gluing that directly to the wreath form, cutting off the excess material, and then just simply wrapping this around. It worked really well. It was honestly probably easier than even using like a pool noodle, but it's going to be smaller, more to scale with the basket that I chose from the Dollar Tree, and it'll be removable so they can reuse this basket. I'm just going to go through the handles like that for a little bit of added stability, and then just use some packing tape to attach it to the inside. You won't be able to see this when you fill this with goodies, but it'll allow it to be removable, yet still strong. So I just went across and up and down with the packing tape. So that's what we have so far. Let's start filling it with goodies from the Dollar Tree. First, I do a little of the green paper shreds. I prefer those over the grass. And then I found this great beach towel from the Dollar Tree Plus for $5 with the palm leaf pattern. It's really cute. I just removed the plastic hanger so that I could roll it up nicely like this and put that in the basket. Also, Dollar Tree has Crocs now. Can you believe that? For $5, you can get some Crocs, some faux Crocs. And I got some pink ones in the right size for this basket. Great for the beach. They have some after sun lotion. I picked up some sunblock and also some fun Dollar Tree sunglasses and some pineapple lip balm I thought would be fun. I do need to bring it up a little bit, and you have to have some candy in here. So I did a chocolate bunny, a little Easter cookie. I love the little pineapple lip balm. Some chocolate eggs over here to the sides. I want the sunglasses to be kind of up like that. They don't get destroyed. More candy, some jelly beans in here. And then I decided I wanted to decorate the basket a little bit. I probably should have done this first. But what I did was I just took some of the yellow pom-pom garland and I just attached it with hot glue about a quarter of the way, all the way around. This is going to be providing color and fun to the outside, but it's going to be really easy to remove if they want to reuse that basket. And then I want to decorate the handle with some ribbon. This is the Peeps ribbon from the Dollar Tree for $3. I'm just going to do a really simple faux bow, something that's really going to make it look Easter and not too complicated. So I cut 2 loops and I cut a tail piece here. I'm just going to overlap the loops, put it all together, and use a zip tie to attach that to the handle. Kind of hard to show you because this basket's so big, but I just zip tie this to the top. I'm not going to use a plastic bag for this, but you totally could. But a fun beach day inspired Easter basket for a teen or adult. For more Easter or Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to visit me at Crafty Beach on YouTube.